Welcome to the video series about stereotypes in social farming. Social farming helps disadvantaged people integrate into society through work on farms, which we call social farms. But, in social farming, we face many stereotypes. Many of them are untrue. Let's stand up and disprove them in our video series. Under social farm, many people imagine some not very attractive products. They don't know what a social farm is, so they usually have no idea what is produced on such a farm. But what is the truth? In reality, if social farms have a production role, it is possible to produce very high-quality food with the support of disadvantaged workers. And the quality matches the standard of usual productive farms. In addition, many of the farms are kind to the land, plants and animals, so the food is often organic or close to it. Unfortunately, in many countries there is no good labeling for social farms products, so you have to look for this information. But for example, it is increasingly available on social media. The best way to find out how a social farm works is to go and visit. In many cases, farms have a yard sale, and this is the best way to find out what is actually sold in the place. Thank you for watching this video. Follow the official website of the SoFarm project or our other channels, such as Facebook or LinkedIn. This content has been produced through the international collaboration of 6 expert partners and is funded by the European Union.